Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday, Tito.
No kiss, no kiss.
No kiss.
No kiss, no kiss. Hi, Kid Janelle. We wish you more birthdays to celebrate. Enjoy your day and happy birthday!
Hi, Janelle. Happy birthday. Kumusta ka, Dudong?
Happy birthday.
Kumusta?
Kumusta ng Australia? Okay, teste.
Aray na hapon, Jo. Kumusta?
Happy
birthday.
Happy birthday, Jo.
Stay healthy and happy birthday.
Birthday, Janelle! More birthdays and blessings to come. Wishing you inner peace and happiness. Again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday
to the
smartest,
toughest
Responsible and loving guy
in the world.
We love you.
Hi!
Maayong gabi! Janelle, congratulations! Una sa tanan, magpasalamatan ni Lord kay na-achieve na yun ang inyong mga damong ko. Dreams come true. Australian citizen na mong duha with ni Joy. Kaduha, salamat mi nga sa ulog ka sa imong ika 40th birthday. Uban sa akong pamilya, nakiguban sa imong adlaw na tawhan. Janelle, daghang kayong salamat kay imo yung giubanan si Joy bisan sa iyang kahimtang, sa iyang panglawas, wag gini mo siya pasagday. Salamat kayo. Sangko sa langit akong pagpasalamat gikan kay sa imong kamaayo na wala jud kami wala jud kami diya ni Joy lagi ka kami siyang kiliran kung na siya sa kahimtang sa kalisod. Daghang salamat yun. Salamat kayo sa tanan yung tayo. Happy birthday, Janelle.
Happy birthday, Kuya Janelle. God bless and more birthdays to come. Enjoy!
Uban sa akong pamilya, giduyog sa imong adlaw na tawhan. Happy birthday.
Yay!
Happy birthday, dear Boggs.
Vlogs.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Cha-cha-cha. Bye.
Bye.
Okay. So, mga pila ka days ago, Mitzi asked me to send you a greeting. So, first and foremost, ayo. Put it down.
Goodbye, Papa.
Bye. Una sa tanan, thank you ni Mitzi nga iya akong gihagad, iya akong gipahinumduman to send you and even thought of me to send you a greeting. 40 na ta. Labor ako ni mog pila ka tuig. Bitaw, I have a lot of fond memories nga nagkakauban ta sa Sibodok. I definitely enjoyed katong time nga nagkakuyog ta sa faculty and sa soccer team. Pero ang pinaka nindot og memorable kay nako nga memory nga katong panahon nga nag-aabot ta bisag kadali lang dito sa New Zealand. So usa tos mga kanang nindot kinamo nga experiences ni Love nga naka-spend big time kuyog ninyo dito sa Auckland ug katong nibisita pud man namo sa Christchurch. Siguro mo rin ay akong gamay nga regret nga wala kita nagkauban og dugay because I felt like if dugol lang unta ta og balay or kauban ta sa kalugar, I bet we would have had more fun adventures together. So on your 40th Bay, I wish you the best of health. I wish you more blessings. I wish kamuduhan ni Mitzi would continue to have a healthy and a happy life together. And I really hope nga puhon-puhon by some way magkaabot ag balik. Maybe kami magbisita ninyo sa Australia, or maybe kung kamoy masuroy dinhi sa among dapit sa Wisconsin. So again, happy 40th birthday, and I hope to connect with you guys soon. God bless you, bye.
Hi Nell, happy birthday. Wishing you good health and happiness always. Take care, Nell.
Jonel, happy birthday diha. 40 na ka. Silhouette 40. Pagamping birmi.
Hi, Janelle. Happy birthday. Happy 40th birthday. You know, I'll never forget when you were a nursing student, natulog ka sa akong klase. And then we became colleagues. And look at you now. You're a very successful nurse. And of course, the perfect husband to Mitzi. I'm very proud of you. I wish you all the best. Always, always. I miss you and Mitzi. And take care. And God bless.
Janelle, happy birthday, bye. Happy 40th birthday. I've known you since high school, and I can say you're one of my closest friends. People around you right now are so lucky to have a friend like you. You're one of my emotional friends, kabaw na kaunsa na, but also one of my most sincere friends. Even though we're far from each other, you always try to keep in touch with me, and I really appreciate that a lot, and that says a lot about you. So akong wish ni Mubay is that continue being you, and may all your wish and dreams come true, and happiness will be with you always. Enjoy your special day, and hopefully I can visit you there soon with my family. Happy birthday, bye. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Bogs! Welcome to the 40s Club. Tiguang nata. Enjoy your special day with Mitzi, and hope to see you next year sa atong reunion. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Mr. Buganay! Bye! Congratulations on your 40th birthday. Another milestone. I wish we are there to celebrate this momentous event with you and your family, but you know, matasa na nagkalain-laing dapit sa kalibutan, so I guess this video greetings will do for now. I wish you nothing but good health, peace, and of course many more returns of the day. I hope magkakita na po tagbalik soon in his time, but for now, video greetings lang usa. Don't mind my shades, gikan ko ga night shift. So anyway, happy birthday. Soon, hopefully magkakita na punta. Enjoy your special day with your family and friends. Yeah, I'm just a message away. All right, have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bogs, happy birthday! Misan ako ato ang CDUCN days. Salamat sa tanan nimong kaayo diri sa akua, og maluyang Ginoo hinaut unta magkita ta balik. Bye. Amping mo diha kanunay ni Manay Mitzi.
Hi Nell, pagkadali ba sa panahon? Today you'll be celebrating another milestone. Happy birthday. You deserve all the love and attention today. Happy birthday, Kiwi Aussie boy. Oi, oi, oi.
Happy 40th birthday, Janelle. Here's to 4 decades of laughter, cherished and unforgettable memories. Thanks to you and Mitzi for feeding me my favorite lechon kawali when I was still a starving student during my bridging program. Kidding aside, may this milestone year be filled with laughter, joy, adventure, and everything your heart desires. Once again, happy 40th birthday.
Hi, Boggs. Happy birthday. Happy 40th birthday, to be exact. Just lang, na-brain fog ko, hagikan kong night shift. Where do I start? Okay, mag-reminisce sa going back college days. With our pre-test and post-test, our return demonstration, our friendship has gone a long way. And it seems like it's just yesterday. Yung winner gid na memory was during our Good Shepherd days before the board exam. And yeah, so here we are 19 years later. We're practicing our profession na. And you and I, or majority of the Kappa 2005, are turning 40 this year. So another milestone. Officially, we're out. Our age is out of the calendar. But sige lang, na mag-apoy thermometer. We're still with our age is still within the thermometer. In Fahrenheit. Oh, Fahrenheit na lang. Dili Celsius. Laki, what you klaro kong greeting. Anyway, kidding aside, I wish you all the best in life. I wish you good health and more blessings to come. I wish all your heart's desires come true. And may God give you more years to celebrate your birthday. I think that's it. Just classic na birthday greeting, but from the heart. So I hope we'll be able to visit you guys there in Melbourne sometime soon. Lang ay kung bilbil kita good. Sorry. Yeah, so hope to see you guys soon. And one more thing, naday little one na ganahan mo great og happy birthday sad, and I hope he's in the mood.
Happy birthday,
Tito Junel.
Tito Junel.
Sorry, nagdula. So at least na-greet siya ni mo. Anyway, again, happy birthday, Boggs. Mitz. Nakaabot ko sa deadline, ha? So again, happy birthday, Boggs. Don't worry if you're 40, because 40 is fine if you look like 29. Charis. Happy birthday. I miss you guys. We miss you guys. Hope to see you soon. And we love you. Happy birthday again, Boggs.